Welcome back, everyone. This is Luis with Antonine Capital, your business loan brokerage, helping you grow your business or acquire a new one. In this video, this is part of a 52-week program for those of you that are new to this, where we dive in every single day into some element of the SBA loan program or just financing your business in general with alternative forms of financing or different loan products. We've gone through the three types of SBA loans in this week, which were the 7A, the 504, and the SBA Express loan. Today we're going to talk about comparing the interest rates and fees among those three programs, and going to just kind of help develop that picture as to which one is best to suit your needs. So we talked about the SBA loan being the most competitive rates for any type of business financing that you can get out there. So let's talk about the SBA 7A loan rates. So again, the 7A up to $5 million is the most flexible program of them all, as far as you can really use the funds almost anything, especially compared to the other two programs. With this one, they do offer variable and or fixed rates depending on the lender. Typical rates for this is prime. Now, I won't be able to give you an exact figure because that would really date the video, and this is a very dynamic rate structure as far as just lending in general. So we'll talk about prime and then usually what gets added onto this. So for 7A, we're looking at prime usually plus 2.25 points or all the way up to just under 5 points. That's a pretty significant spread. At the time we're recording this video, it is early 2025. We're expecting the Federal Reserve to lower rates maybe a little bit more, so that'll bring down rates maybe around 7%. So it's, for those of you that are not as familiar where rates come from, that prime rate is what everything is based off of, and lenders will add a couple percentage points on top of that, and that's where their profits really come in. For the SBA 7A, like we said, it's anywhere from 2.25 up to just under 5, and it's for those businesses seeking versatile funding. For the 504 loan rates, that's a little more dynamic because it can have different factors going into it, because there are equipment purchases in there, but it can be anywhere between 5 and 12%, at least in my experience, as far as seeing the different products that I've seen and the different lenders that I've seen offering on this. Now that is very dependent on what you're using the 5044, but it's if it's real estate, probably that's a much more stable collateral that you're providing to the lender, compared to if you're doing some type of heavy equipment that depreciates or is very unique in nature. So there can be some variability to the loan rates that you see there, but we'd say anywhere upper single digits. Just kind of think in that frame. Again, that this could really date the video. Anything can happen. Just reach out to us for the most current rates that are outstanding, but I'm just kind of giving you just a general feel for where the rates are or how they're arrived to. Now lastly, for the SBA Express loans, these typically have the higher interest rates with them. They do get approved faster, but this here we're looking at prime usually all the way up to 6.5, an additional 6.5 points on top of the prime, which is significantly higher. But it, again, really depends on the lender. This is not a product that, again, is cut by the SBA themselves, but rather by a lender, and they have their criteria on how they're going to manage the risk and how they feel they should be compensated for taking that risk. And again, this is used for those up to $500,000 and to meet those immediate business needs. So guarantee fees. So the 7A loans, the fees range anywhere from a 0.25% all the way up to just under 4% based on the loan size. For the 504, the fees on that typically includes a 1.5% guarantee, For the express loans, the fees could be reduced for veterans. Like I said, at the time of recording this video, those reductions are being extended to non-veterans as well. How long that will last, I don't know. Additional costs, there are closing costs, legal fees, appraisals, and other administrative expenses that go with SBA loans. Servicing fees, they're more applicable to longer term loans like the 504 loan, to cover the ongoing maintenance of that loan. So retirement payment terms and implications, the 7A loans, they can range anywhere from 10 years all the way up to 25 years, depending if they have real estate associated with them. The 504, 10, 20, or 25 years for those hard assets. And the SBA Express usually have 5 to 10 years for the repayment terms. And I kind of talked on the different uses for each one of those, but to kind of sum that up, 7A, general purpose. That is up to $5 million, business need, you need capital, start at the 7A. If you're looking to purchase something that's tangible and hard, like real estate or equipment, 504. And if you need something that's more immediate and it's up to $500,000, then the SBA Express is the way to go. So that's we talked on the different interest rates and fees associated with the SBA loans. Tune in with us as we keep doing deeper dives into each one of the different aspects of these. But with that, if you found any value of this, head over to our website, AntonineCapital.com, ANTONINECAPITAL.com. You'll find that link somewhere along this video. Sign up for our newsletter if you want to keep learning more and getting more expertise on SBA loan products. We'll send out a monthly newsletter with that. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.